All right, hey, we're today spotlighting 1959 Airstream Tradewind that we've been working on for quite a while here at the shop. This is actually my personal trailer. It's the first Airstream I bought even before we started the business. So it's been this really long labor of love. We just kind of pick away at it when we have the time and the funds. But we wanted to do everything right. So, we started by pulling the body off the chassis, pulling that out, addressing it, welding up anything that was needed reinforcements, put a lot of new outriggers on there, reinforced the belly where we needed to put water tanks, put new axles on, we've got new wheels, brakes, everything like that. And then we put our subfloor in, put some marmoleum flooring on, we dropped the shell back down, and then we pulled all the windows out, and not just the windows, but we pulled the frames and removed the frames from the body so that we could get them polished, cleaned up, and put new butyl and sealant behind the frames. And man, I bet we have probably 120 hours into just the windows. People that have done these style windows know how long they take to get them looking brand new. Put all that back together. We addressed any of the ribbing, any of the shell reinforcement that we needed to on the inside. We went through, put new fantastic fans in front and rear. We did a air conditioner in the center, a Penguin 2 air conditioner. We have rebuilt the entire door. It's the door inside the door, Inception style door action. We've got a whole brand new door on there. And we're pretty close. We're about 85% done putting in a large 7-foot long by 3.5 foot tall service window. Now this can be for business, vending, serving, cooking, sort of thing, or even just if you have your own camping trailer and you want to open up this massive window to have a beautiful view, let the outside in. So we kept the original window in it though, so when it's shut, it looks pretty clean and original. But yeah, so right now we're at a point where we're getting ready to, I would call this stage the build ready stage. So we've done all of the big heavy lifting, and now it's in the planning stage. So we've got our gray water tanks already mounted. They're all custom sizes. We've got our black water tanks. We've got our shell ready to go. So we just need to pull wire, put some skin and insulation in, and then it's the building part. So let's step inside and check it out. So this is our newly built door. So operates pretty nicely. New gaskets and everything. So it's hard to see the nice new floor because we've got it covered with ram board protection. But yeah, you can see, the raw interior. We made brand new galvanized steel wheel wells for endless, years of protection. You can see how much waterproofing we've done over the original, the shoring up of all the floor with the C channels. And yeah, and this is the service window facing the passenger side. This is the articulation point right here, and we brought it up just above countertop height. So if you did want to put, say, your kitchen on this side, it could sit there. If you wanted to do maybe a classic dinette, you could be sitting here with this open. You can make this area a couch so that you're looking out over this big awesome area, or you could do this straight as a vending trailer. So right now the options are pretty open for what this can become. Yeah, just give us a call if you have any questions, but we can pretty much design and build this to any specifications you might have.